Good afternoon. It is 3:03 p.m. as I record this video. Now, if you are familiar with Turnitin, you know that Moodle has a plugin. Now, when you've added this assignment to your Moodle course, you should come up to this screen and you're going to give the assignment a name. And I'm going to just type something random here because this assignment is going to be deleted. So now, if you look in the general area, you see you can give it a name, you can type a summary, you can display the description, and you can select the submission type, usually a file upload, but text submissions are also acceptable, or select any to allow both options. And you can select the number of parts, and that's if your assignment has more than one part to it. And then the file size, usually the max is 40 megabytes. You can allow or not allow any particular submission type. And now for your grade display, you can show as a fraction or you can show the grade as a percentage. Because whenever you see a student's assignment submitted this way, you click on their assignment and there's a section for you to input the amount of points they received out of however many points the assignment is worth. If we select this option, you'll see a percentage. Like say for example, the assignment is 200 points and they earned 100 points. If you input that, when you select the percentage option, that would show as a 50%. Now, if you show this as a fraction, they'll get more or less of the natural score or the total amount of points earned out of the total amount possible. And if you do have any additional questions, I am in BBC 149. I'm also available by email, and you can also contact me at 337-475-5075 or contact Dr. Prater at 337-475-5126. All right, guys, you have a good day. Goodbye.